Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today is part 4 of my 5-part Easter card series. So let's get started. So today again I want to craft with my easy 3D toppers, and I have more to share with you. And let's just take a quick look and then I show you my projects. So here we have the cute bunnies, and these are brand new, and look how gorgeous they are. So you have 10 different bunnies, all have flowers, and they are lightly glittered, and they have 3 pieces to each embellishment, and you will see them in action here in just a minute. The second one is the flower bunnies, and they are similar. They have all these beautiful Easter eggs, and they're sitting there even as pairs. Look how gorgeous they are, and they make your cards in a minute. So today's video will also be for beginners, because I'm going to show you how quick you can make a card literally in minutes, and you don't need to have any talent to put these together. And couple more. Let's look at these Easter baskets here, and I made cards with these too, so you will see them in action. Beautiful baskets with eggs, or sometimes just look at this little snow bell coming out of the egg. So gorgeous. We're all ready for spring, and these are so fun to work with. We have some vintage Easter bunnies, and look how cute they are. And these are vintage motifs made into toppers. And then also we have these Easter egg cups, and look how gorgeous they are. So since today will be also for new card makers who are maybe not as experienced yet, I just want to show you really quick how these come together. So in each bag you have 10 of those embellishments, and they come individually packaged. So I have here one of these beautiful Easter egg cubs. So as you can see, there is your base piece, and look how gorgeous that is. So beautiful. And then you have 2 additional pieces. So the biggest piece is always the base piece, right? Now what we will do, all you need to do is grab your foam tape. And now I gotta find mine. Okay, so I have a little bit of foam tape, and this, by the way, is my favorite foam tape to use. I like that better than any of the foam pads, because I can cut it to shape as I need. So I just cut off a little bit. Plus it is black, and I always like black. So now what we will do is just use a little bit of foam tape and add it to this part. Okay, so there we go. Take off the protective layer, and then all you have to do is add this right on. See how it is just the image that goes right on top. So now this sits here, and it became already dimensional. And now I have this last piece. I'm going to cut this, and that's another thing. When I need a little piece, all I have to do is just cut these to shape. So I'm going to link this this foam tape here. I'm going to link this below. It is actually a big roll. This is just the very end of it. Okay, and now you're gonna just fit it right on top here. There we go. And now your embellishment is done. And now you can just put it on anything. You can put it on a tag, you can put it on a card, you can put it on a gift package, you can even make a little hole here and hang it maybe on your Easter tree. So this is how easy it is. I just wanted to show those that may have never seen how these come together. But now let's look at my projects. So the first project I would like to share with you are these cards, and they came together so super quickly because I used a piece of background image, and all I did is I used the image and then I added this 3D topper, and all I did is add a glitter border sticker, and that's it. So you start off with a white or any card blank. Now the images already sold out before I was able to create this video. I do have a few left. They come in these little packs. I have a few left, and I will add those as thank yous for your order. So if you order here, the next few people that will order with me will get these with random images in their order as a thank you gift. But this is how it works. You just add this piece of background, and then here is one of my baskets that came from the Easter basket, and let's see which one it is. It's right up here. See, there it is, and here is my basket. And doesn't it look beautiful with the glitter? Very, very pretty. So that's card one. Here is my second card. Same thing. This card I made literally in 5 minutes. I added a little bit of glue of this image, and again it comes like this, just as a square image, and then added another basket, and this time there it is. This is the basket that I added, and here are my black foam in between, and again a glitter border, and you're done. And doesn't it look amazing? And here is my third one. Same thing. Here I have a beautiful country house with this thatched roof, and there sits this vintage bunny, and that one came from, did it come from this? Yeah, here he is. This is one of my vintage Easter bunnies playing the cello. So what you could also use is, sometimes there are postcards with beautiful landscapes or images, calendars. If you have maybe old calendars, I always keep some of my calendar pictures because they are so pretty. You can cut them to shape and add them to your card. So you can find backgrounds, but I can think of postcards and calendar pictures right now. And then all you do is just glue it to your card and then add the embellishment, and you're done. So you don't have to think about anything else. And I thought these came together very quickly, and I think for any beginners that's a great way to make quick cards and get the hang of it on how this will work. And of course here again is a glitter strip. So, and then I made Easter ornaments. And first of all, I used these cute bunnies, and when I saw them, I was like, I want to see them in my house. So I was thinking, what can I do with them? I wouldn't make 5 cards and have them sit in my house. So I made Easter ornaments. These are the tags that I have bought from Michael's, and I believe they were a hot buy. And they're just oval tags, so, but they do mimic an egg. So I think they could use, like, they could go for an Easter egg. And they had different backgrounds. So all I did is I used this tag I added one of these beautiful cute bunnies to it, added my foam tabs, and then a flower, and these flowers are from the Prima packs. They got these gorgeous paper flowers in here, smaller and bigger, and I added a little bit of ribbon, and now I can hang them on my Easter tree. And I'm going to show you after this, there's going to be a still shot on how it looks on my Easter tree, because I have already added them and took a picture. But look how beautiful they are. And now if you want to do something similar, and say you don't have these tags, or you don't have oval tags, well, you don't need to. You can also use an oval die and cut out an oval, or if you have an big Easter egg die, or if you don't have that, you can maybe make yourself an Easter egg, draw one, and then make several copies, and then put this on, I want to say cardstock, so it is a little bit sturdy, so you can then either make your oval from cardstock, or just put several pieces of cardstock together to make it a little thicker, and then add a pretty paper, and then you can add one of these, any of these 3D embellishments. Doesn't have to be these bunnies, but I thought the bunnies were especially cute to hang on my Easter tree this year. And look how gorgeous they are. So cute. And of course these I made again in minutes, because there is nothing to it other than the tag, the topper, and the flower, and a little bit of ribbon. And I'm just thinking out loud, you don't even need a oval tag. You could possibly use any type of tag, because you have the Easter bunny on there, and if you then hang it on your Easter tree or your Easter bouquet, that will do. So these I'm especially proud of, because I will use them as decorations in my Easter decorations this year. I hope you liked my quick and easy Easter cards and Easter embellishments that I have shared with you today. If so, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this video. You can also follow me on social media, or come to our Facebook group, European Paper Crafts Friends, where you will always see what other crafters upload, and of course my all my elements will be uploaded as well. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, and happy Easter crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye.